boys, the grade 2 children have worked very hard this week to prepare a wonderful assembly for you this afternoon. And we need your help. It's very hard for grade 2 children to ask people to be quiet. So could you please, some parts you might find a bit funny, but let's become quiet very quickly. The moment you see this quiet please sign, or a teacher putting their hand up, let's be quiet as fast as we can. Okay.
Good afternoon and welcome to Junior Christmas Assembly. We acknowledge the traditional custodians of this land and pay respects to elders, both past, present and future, for they hold the memories, the traditions, the culture and hopes of Aboriginal Australia. We must always remember that under the concrete and asphalt, this land is, was and always will be traditional Aboriginal land. Please sing the Good Afternoon song. If you had a birthday this week, please come to the stage as we sing a birthday song. 2, we would like to wish Tracy a happy birthday for today.